Jackfruit yogurt, jackfruit yogurt, jackfruit yogurt. Jackfruit yogurt is a popular dessert in tropical countries. Coconut jelly, coconut jelly, coconut jelly. We enjoyed refreshing coconut jelly on a hot day. Cheese, cheese, cheese. She added grated cheese to her pasta for extra flavor. Beer, beer, beer. A cold beer is perfect after a long day of work. Wine, wine, wine. They opened a bottle of red wine to celebrate. Pudding, pudding, pudding. The caramel pudding was smooth and delicious. Lemon tart, lemon tart, lemon tart. The lemon tart had a tangy and refreshing flavor. Blueberry cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake. Blueberry cheesecake is her favorite dessert. Smoothies, smoothies, smoothies. We made mango smoothies with fresh fruit and yogurt. Apple pie, apple pie, apple pie. The warm apple pie was served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Chocolate mousse, chocolate mousse, chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse is light and full of flavor. Crème brûlée, crème brûlée, crème brûlée. The crème brûlée had a perfect caramelized sugar crust. Milk, milk, milk. Milk is a good source of calcium for strong bones. Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. Children love eating ice cream on sunny days. Fresh cream, fresh cream, fresh cream. He added fresh cream to his coffee for a richer taste. Mixed fruits, mixed fruits, mixed fruits. Mixed fruits are a healthy option for a quick snack. Juice, juice, juice. Freshly squeezed orange juice is a breakfast classic. Jam, jam, jam. She loves toast with strawberry jam in the morning. Sorbet, sorbet, sorbet. The lemon sorbet was light and refreshing. Tiramisu, tiramisu, tiramisu. Tiramisu is a traditional Italian dessert made with coffee. Tart, tart, tart. The strawberry tart looked too beautiful to eat. Cheeseburger, cheeseburger, cheeseburger. I ordered a cheeseburger for lunch. Chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets, chicken nuggets. The kids love eating chicken nuggets with ketchup. Chips, French fries. Chips, French fries. Chips, French fries. We shared a large portion of French fries at the diner. Donut, donut, donut. She bought a chocolate donut for dessert. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Fish and chips is a traditional British dish. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Fried chicken. The fried chicken at this restaurant is crispy and delicious. Hash brown, hash brown, hash brown. He had a hash brown with his breakfast. Hamburger, hamburger, hamburger. The hamburger was served with a side of coleslaw. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. I grabbed a hot dog from the food cart on the street. Onion ring, onion ring, onion ring. We ordered onion rings as an appetizer.